Post extensions require the two-piece plastic cap. If applicable, trace a post on the ceiling tile and cut the tile. Insert the 4 post extension pins into the post. This will keep the post extension in place. Then install the provided ceiling bezel to cover the hole on the ceiling tile.